If you can dream it, you can do it. Drones. They're no longer science fiction anymore. We're using drones to explore unknown new worlds. They're being tested on lonely highways, from the early days of radio-controlled flight to missions on Mars and beyond. Drones are already impacting our world, to unmanned tasks in supermarkets, to mapping our communities and saving lives. Drones are changing the way we explore and discover. Programmed to operate in other worlds and flown with tomorrow's technology today, drones are changing our world. Join us and open your mind to drone technologies. So head to Drone Education Services with the link on the screen and register for any or all of our free virtual drone webinars this week. We'll see you there.